my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online. I be proud blogger online. Sammykaymedia.com online. Go check my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online.
Enti wuti enka ye wo fie. Aja. Ye juju ye hu opu mu kakra. I wasn't talking to you. Aja, ye juju ye hu kakra. Is she clap for mommy?
Yes.
Clap for mommy. Clap. Akua. Kakushana. Holiday. Greetings from Dubai. Ghana food Dubai. I love you, Ghana food Dubai. Me ba Dubai, mo ambre me aduane o. Mo ambre me aduane. Me ne enkra ne ba ye no. We will come again. Baby. Also, they don't get money and see. Oh, hey, Nyamio. All thanks to God. I'm actually free today. I want to read your comments. Money sweet. Enjoy your day, boys. Okay, it's a boy and a girl, not boys. Kwaku Oteng here in Shama, mister. Okay. Watching me live from Qatar. I love you. Mob. Hey, didn't content him. I'm not in Dubai. I'm home. Yes, I'm at the landlady's mansion now. Yes. See them. We're in the house. Spending the whole day with my babies. They say, when you cry, na holiday. I'm crying with Efya and Hoshishi. Kwaku. She's looking for you. Who can show? Why?
I don't know what I need.
Yes, Insha. Zilda, I can't love you less. I love you too. We all need to be rich. Professional, Nana. Amen. Amen. Yes, indeed. Yeah, we all need to be rich. Life is sweet. I live a stress-free life. She loves Tracey Boakye. That's my baby girl. Obaku, my love. Love you, boo. Mom and I shop. You know we love you. Mom and I shop. You love you, sir. She's calling me. Any of our break? Ain't she? And she to me come mama bear 100 times a day. Hey, you're ready now. But every day, mama. What did she say? Shano.
Yeah, she's trying to get our brush.
We miss you too, beautiful. How many houses do you have? Are you part of the Borla bed delay is referring to? Oh, please, we need peace, okay? We need peace. Oh, my said to me, what? Oh, my branco anymore. Yes, darling. Peace. We need peace, guys. We need peace. Yeah, bro. You don't have time to be answering such questions. Okay, I love this family so much. Hereby, hey, cool. The names gives messages not awesome. I love you all. I love you. If you wanna judge, look at their life and look at our lives and judge. That's all. Real landladies. We don't talk much. Kwaku. Please take care of my girl. Peace. Yes, we need peace, Mom and I. We don't have time for beef. I'm telling all my fans, the day you see, say, come on into I'm saying 1 year, make us say, manu. I'm matured and oh, thank you. Yes. And talk here. We need peace. Peace. You know, what brand? Necessary. Aren't you thirsty? The only boss lady. Should I come over to your house? I'm actually planning on having a party for my fans. I just want to make them happy. I want to have a party. I love you more. I love you too, Olivia. Love you, Kobe. Yeah, try say a party. Kuku. Hey, Kwaku pensu asiko. Hey! What's up, Kwami? Share show. But if you go under, it should be looking for you.
But I'll come out soon, only. That's not good, very fast.
So, oh, let me read messages. The water is so warm. Yeah, it's so warm. If we are not crying or ding, it also is cold. Yeah, I'm thinking of having a party for my fans. It's true. You need to live a peaceful life. That's exactly. Mom and I, it depends who. Media more. Media more. Keep making people depressed. More. What's the money? Keep making people depressed. Please, and we need peace. I beg you. Me mami Efya dear. Oh, me can on tie. Me say on chai. She be madam no nonsense. Isha not today I was re. Actually, Kwaku shensu na si na wo pien sha sa no. She. I love you all. Stay blessed. Don't fight. I beg you. Don't fight on social media, okay? It's not healthy. We need peace. We need peace. Unya peace. Please, guys. You know I love you. God has really blessed you. Amen. Amen. Yes, so Anamoah saying here. I love you all. This is direct live broadcast from his only chick's mansion. If you know, you know. Media minyo. I'm annoying, you know. Love you. You are feeling good, Madam Boakye. I am, oh, with my babies at home. No more, yeah. Every other the phone is me. Who say? Kwaku ya no akoshe nsuo na hye na nsuo hwehwe no won. Jo. She keeps looking for you. You are not playing with her, huh? I said that on your mind, she said you only need you. It's not a hotel. No, it's not a hotel. The Mega Lion. How can this be a hotel? Yeah, when I'm on Mokasan. Ajay. You think being classy is about wearing waist and clothes? And more branded. Bravo be too a man no more to 2 years. The Mega Lion. Bravo be too a man no more to 2 years. Mama, I love you guys. Stay blessed. My life here, my crazy. I'm back on life 20 times. I have a chilled coke here. Cheers. I'm cooking. I'm fine, Johnny. The only lady who can make people go live 200 times. See ya, I love you. Is this all to say as we knew Obi kuna wa? Shani pane life, never me life. Never de me who on a girl and I need no one me de koji ni kuno simple. If you hear say I have somebody's husband, shani pane life or back on her life, never me dear, never dear mammy me who on a home me de koji ni kuno is as simple as ABCD. Na me who will be a baby man and attractive and I koji ni kuno na the Opa so si papa no work ni dia nipa na mo tag na any or her me chan na ire I'm coming. Wow. Ishi mabo one wa shada de ne ko wow.
She's the one who changed her mind. Mommy
KGU Music, you always fight for me. I know, I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The monies you've been giving to fake accounts to insult us. Bro, yo. Aden. The monies you've been giving for pass as if you don't see that. Now we ain't na when you bring me. Now when see we are best then any brand Sikano de ba fake account didi matem. Sikana de ba fake account didi matem no. Odo ye hu fa kwata cement ne anua o. Na we any anivre. It won't take anything from me. Fa sikano ye japa. Fa ye bibi. My dear fake account no. Omo je sikana di o. Omo je di omo akwa mo tu chema me. Omo jimi di. Say asanto am. You smart. Na me peba down for kuno. I'm telling you, I don't want my friends husband. I don't do that. I'm not a snitch. I don't do that.
Go check my stuff so online. Proud of anything you they do. Go online. I be proud blogger. Go online. Sammykaymedia.com. Go online.